Hello, you guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Today, I'm in my downstairs bathroom and I'm about to clean up my bathroom down here because some toothpaste in the sink, some toothpaste over there, and my mirrors have to get cleaned. So, let's get started, you guys, in cleaning my downstairs bathroom. Okay, this is what I'm going to use today. I always tell you guys about this. So, I'm going to spray it down, everything down. So how are you today? I hope all is well. We all in the land of the living. Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna use some of this Fabuloso and I'm gonna put it in my sink with some hot water. Because we gotta get that toothpaste out of my sink that somebody didn't get up. And this bathroom here is downstairs. We don't really too much use it. It's just really me and then my son, he comes home back and forth. So we're gonna add the Fabuloso to the hot water. And get it all subsy. And get everything sparkling and clean. Do a quick wipe down of everything. With my Dove hand soap. The edges. This is my hand sanitizer, you guys. I keep hand sanitizer also in the bathroom for a double clean. You clean your hand, then you wipe it down with some hand sanitizer. Wipe this down, get dust on it. I'm just getting the hair off my sink. Okay, you guys. So hold on, I gotta get my newspaper from my mirror. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. Here's just my old Windex bottle, and this is what I personally use. I don't really buy this anymore. What I usually do is put some water in the bottle, and I add a little vinegar to my water bottle, and that's what I use to clean my mirrors with. Okay? So you only need a little vinegar. Because it can be a little strong. I would say a capful for the whole bottle. Because this Windex can be pricey, and it's basically the same thing they use in this Windex. It's on a mirror, just add blue dye or the clear dye. So this is what I use. This is cost savings. It saves you a lot of money. So I spray my mirror. And I use newspaper to clean my mirror. Because sometimes be toothpaste on the mirrors, upstairs, downstairs. I'm like, oh my goodness. And your mirrors will be sparkling. I mean, if you these mirrors. Then one thing about the newspaper, it don't smear your mirrors, you just clean them, have them bright. So. Look at that. Look how clean the mirrors is, you guys. No streaks, no nothing. So give this a try, okay? It's something simple and gonna save you a lot of money, you guys. Okay? So make sure everything is clean and sparkling in this bathroom. I done sprayed my toilet down with this, so it's still marinating, you guys. I'll just spray it down. Okay. I got my little mop. Got my mop water out there. Now make sure I go around that toilet ring. So how are you today? I hope all is well. Smell really fresh and clean in here. And I take this and I clean off my light fixtures. Uh-oh. I'm back. Okay, you guys. So. Okay, you guys. So that's just the basics of what I'm doing now. I'm just wanting to clean my mirrors in my sink because I seen some toothpaste and I did not like that. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video so I can come around this way and mop. So I had to get out the kitchen. Get out the bathroom. Okay, you guys, I thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now. Bye, guys.